that's buzzing around in today's trading session. Whether or not it's rightfully buzzing, you'll have to take a call on that. Now, you just take a look at it. Uttam Galva Group, they have 3 entities. A couple of them are listed. One is a 30 rupee stock, and one, in fact, is a 1 rupee stock or 80 paise stock. Now, the deal that is in the offering is Uttam Galva Metallics. That's the unlisted entity, remember, and on the back of that, the stock is buzzing around. Now, we told you first here on CNBC TV 18 a while back on July 27th itself, and China's TID4 is likely to pick up a stake in Uttam Galva Metallics. Now, TID4 is likely to invest close to around $150 million. I've spoken to various sources that are working very closely with this deal, and they've confirmed $150 million is approximately the number that they're looking to pump in. The agreement has been signed with the company, and also POSCO is part of this deal. So POSCO as well could be pumping in close to around $150 million or thereabouts. So $150 million coming in from TID4 as well as POSCO. It looks good for the group on the whole, though it's not coming to the listed entity. Keep that in mind. Now, what I've additionally learned is that the equity infusion, this is the $150 million each, needs to be supported by capital support coming in from banks. If the capital support doesn't come in from banks, then in fact this deal could fall through as well. What the group is looking at, they're looking to look at around 2,500 crores of support in terms of debt coming in. Only then will this equity obligation go through. Now, the deal could look like the Miglani family holding majority stake in Uttam Galva Metallics. I repeat again, that's the unlisted entity. And TID4 as well as POSCO, both of them could have the other half of the equity stake. The reason that they're doing this is to increase the capacity from around 500,000 tons to around 1.5 million tons. You'll say that they have so much of debt. Why are they looking to do this? That's because, in fact, if you double the debt, even if you get in another 2,500 crores, the EBITDA, the working capital, everything can look much better. So just keep your eye out. We had confirmed to you way back that the entire group is looking at selling its assets piece by piece. And now, in fact, we learned that Uttam Galva Metallics, the unlisted entity, that's almost done. But that hinges on the fact that the banks need to put in another 2,500 crores or thereabouts.
Well, Nigel has been on top of this story. He was the first one to report towards the end of July about the possibility of this deal taking place. It looks like there has been some progress. A quick recap then.